Have you ever been going through a spreadsheet? You need to find all the unique items in there. You have to do it fast. And the only word that comes to mind is this.
Brother.
The Hulkster knows. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is the Excel dude coming at you again with another video on finding unique items. So this is a sample data set right here. Let's say we want to find any one of these items, but only the unique numbers. So here we have project type. We'll use that for example. Type A through type M. Now let's assume that those are in a random order. There's no way we can figure it out. Then we're going to go, there's 3 different ways we can do this. And they're all pretty effective. It just depends on what you prefer, what you're comfortable with. And the best thing is they're all really fast. So the first thing we'll do is we're going to use the unique function. So we'll click on this tab, equals unique. Hit tab, and now we need to find the array. The array is just the column of data, or really an array. It could be a square, it could be a rectangle, it could be a shape like this, it could be a column, it could be a row, it doesn't matter. But it's going to find all the uniques. So we go equals unique, hit tab, go back to what you want to find, and we can go right here and just drag across the whole thing, or you can do the good old hotkey, Shift Control down. You go right to the bottom, close those parentheses, hit enter. There we go. There's all our unique project types right there. Another one, text to columns. This is the one I tend to prefer, but it's just because I'm used to the hotkeys, I like it a little better. So we're back on the data source. We're going to select it so we can drag all the way down, or click on the top, hold Shift and Control, press the down arrow. When you have everything highlighted, Control C to copy, or you can also right click, copy. We go here, we paste it, which is either Control V or right click, paste. And there you go. But to get this one to work, you're just going to select your data again. So Shift Control down arrow. We're going to run through all these examples really quickly afterwards. This is just the walkthrough part. Then you go to Data, remove duplicates. You only have one column. I like to do it in a new tab just because I don't have to worry about anything overlapping, and I'm only looking for one certain column of data. So hit OK. There you go. It removed almost 18,000 duplicate values, and there's only 14 unique items. Imagine if we had to go through that manually. That would probably take us a week. It'd be terrible. The other one is with the tried and true pivot table. So we click anywhere in here in our data source. We can hit Insert, Pivot Table, Existing Worksheet, or you can do a new one, it doesn't matter. But if you do Existing, click that, click Location, then go right here to the tab you want, anywhere in there, and hit OK. We want to find the project type. So we go here, we find project type, and we drag it right into, you can do rows, which is all the unique ones. You can do columns, same thing. It really just depends how you want to do it. So that's 3 quick ways to do it right there. And another thing you can do on these is, well, let's run through them quickly actually. So we have these, we're going to do them all fast again. Let's say you practice, you're ready to go, you want to start using them every day. Great. Equals unique. Helps if I can type. And then we'll go here. We'll go there. Close that. Enter. Boom. Text to columns. I'm going to go here. Once again with the hotkeys. And if we use Control and page up, we can go over tabs. Control V, Alt, A, M, Tab, Tab, Enter. There it is. And if you want to do a pivot table, again, Alt, NV, Enter, and we have our project type. There you go. It's quick, it's easy, it's painless, and you can really make the data work however you'd like. One thing that you want to be aware of when you use the unique function, though, is if you want to run a SUMIF off of this, for example with a tracking spreadsheet, it's probably better to just copy these and then right-click, paste as values. So think this way. There's a couple steps you got to do. Unique. Well, unique. Okay. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So unique. Highlight. Copy. Right click. 1, 2, 3. Now you have these things that you can filter. You can add SUMIFs. You can add COUNTIFs. You can really have any kind of data you want in here. But these are just some of the awesome functions, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.